For homemade ice cream, a stop at Scoop in Webster, Texas is a must. Come on in and let's take a look. When you're traveling through Texas, you're bound to get hungry. Join Joe as he eats his way through the Lone Star State. This is Texas Chronicles Pit Stop with Joe Perez.
We are at Scoop, 937 West Bay area in Webster, Texas. Yeah, so we really tried to bring some flavors that you don't traditionally see at like Baskin-Robbins or Cold Stone. So we have, for example, like a peanut butter and jelly, a caramel macchiato, and our top seller is actually Cookie Monster. So it's a vanilla ice cream that's dyed blue, and it's got Camille's homemade chocolate chip cookies in it. So it's been a big hit.
This place is awesome!
Scoop is a brainchild of owners Camille and Julian Haynes. The Haynes set out to bring a fresh new premium ice cream concept to their local community. All of Scoop's ice creams are made in-house, and the flavor creations are inspired by Camille and Julian's travels, family recipes, and childhood memories.
So Camille is like the brains behind the operation in terms of recipe development. So we actually started in a home kitchen using a KitchenAid. And we just translated all the recipes from that home kitchen to our commercial production here. So yeah, it's been a lot of fun.
Yeah, so in addition to ice cream, we have ice cream nachos, which we slice the waffle cone into chips and put 2 scoops of ice cream on top and add some toppings. We have a donut ice cream sandwich where we use local donuts from Riley's, and we put a scoop of ice cream in the middle. We also have cereal ice cream bars, which are homemade crispy treats with the ice cream in the center.
We make the waffle cones here in-house, and typically when it's going, it brings a nice aroma to the shop. Folks really enjoy the scent of it, so yeah, it's nice to have a nice homemade ice cream with the waffle cone made in-house, so good combo. Yeah, we really pride ourselves on 2 things, and that's having a great experience here in terms of customer service, and our staff really does a great job, and also a really good quality product. So we put a lot of time and effort into recipe development, so we just really want to make sure that shines as well. So it's having a good quality product and having a great experience, and that's really why we went into business.
Next time you're in Webster, stop by at Scoop Craft Creamery. You can follow us on all social media platforms, Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok.